Quite nice, right? Okay, let's learn about the motherboard. Move side to side. Whoa, no mistake. Wait, I fixed it.
There's nowhere to go.
I hit it again, it goes that side. Hi guys, today we are going to make a new video. I think this car has a sensor because, see, this is the reason I am saying it has a sensor. See, when it moves, if I keep my leg here somewhere, it just moves away. See, automatically. If you keep something in the middle like this, just moves. See, guys, it just moves away. I think this has a small sensor in it. Hit it again, it goes that side. I hit it here again, then if I push it like this, it moves to another direction. So let's hit it again. See, guys, the hilarious. How? Guys. This guy always does it. What? Hilarious! Woohoo! That's wonderful. It looks funny. Doesn't know where to go. It can't stay at the weight because it has a sensor right behind it. We are going to open this electric car. It has an electric motor, it has a motherboard, everything. But it is really a working car that I'm going to open. Guys, see this. Whoa, it's working so well. So I'm going to open and see what is inside this. I'm so curious to learn about this. So let's just off the whatever system, whatever you call it. Then before you open it, just take out the battery so that it doesn't make any cause. Let's take out the batteries. First, let's use a screwdriver instead of using our hands and getting it pained. Yes. Then whoa. Okay guys, we did it. Now let's close it. Then we are closing it fully so that nothing goes inside. Okay, we fixed it. So let's open it now. Whoa, this is so hard screws. You know what guys, I just cut the speaker off because it was having a lot of problem like noise, so much noise. If you want to hear the sound what it makes you, I will just show it once how the speaker works, and then I will move to the next topic. Okay, I'll show you guys how it works, but it might be so noisy. I'll fix the speaker and give you guys, and I'll show you how it works with the speaker. It's so noisy, nobody can bear the sound. Well, this takes a lot of time. Okay, it's okay, let's move to the next one. So hard to do it. Who tightened up it like this? It just exploded. I got scared once it exploded. Okay, let's see. Let's just remove this part so it'll become easier. Let's take all those screws and keep in this magnet so that I don't miss them. Okay. Yes, we finished doing it. So this is the motor. Now first let's on the lights and show you guys. How is it? Looks right nice. quite nice, right? Okay, let's learn about the motherboard and everything. You please give me the way to open, you guys. Whoa. Okay, let's remove the motherboard from here. Aha! We got the parts. So, let's see. Guys, the thing you have to do is, there's a small kind of thing here. Let's first fix that. I think I have to remove this for that first. Then I'll put this first. Yes. Then the next one. Where's the next one? I got it here. Then here. Yeah. Let's see the mechanism. Whoa, it really moves. See, let's on it and show you guys. I'll on it. Whoa, it's spinning. See guys, it spins. That's how the spin spins here, over here. See, underground. It spins like that. Mission success. Guys, we got the small motor here. So let's stop it and just off the switch because it's making crazy sounds. Okay, it's ridiculous. Let's fix it back because it came off because since it has been broken now. Let me fix it back. Guys, this is the mechanism of it. See guys, when this thing rotates, all of them rotate at the same time. So let's see the next mechanism here. Now let's take this motor over here and just fit it in this place, just like that. And let's see the crazy sounds again. Whoa, no mistake. Wait, I fixed it. Goes side to side. Guys, I fixed the car. So now we are going to see how it does the work. And I'm going to even take the video how to close this. Okay. See guys, now this is running so crazy and it doesn't even make that sounds before. I fixed it because I thought you know what was the problem? The wheel was stuck with something. I saw one small stick. See guys, this stick, small, where was that? See guys, the small hair was stuck in it. So it was making crazy sounds because of this. I took it out. Now it works. Nice. So whatever. You know guys, I want to tell you something guys. See guys, when actually you see this blue light, right? It's connected to the motor. You know what? See, if I just stop the motor, see, only other lights glow, but this doesn't glow. See guys, doesn't glow because the motor is stopped. See, I close the way, but there are two similar parts, right? So they are not similar actually because if they depend on each side. It makes the correct size to the correct length. So if you want to do it in the right side, see guys, I'll show you guys something. If you want to, wait a sec, I'm just going to fix this or else the wires will get cut. If it gets cut, I can't again fix it. So yes, slowly, don't break the toy. Slowly just do it just like that. Guys, see, there's a square here, there's a square here, so it's matching. So let's put it correctly. Okay. I hope it fixed it back itself. there are no screws here. Let's put it in the holes. Now let's put it. Let's turn it nicely. So let's put the last screw for this one. Then now, whoa! I fixed it. It works crazy. It's so crazy in working. Thank you guys. I'm going to conclude this video and just press the magic button right down below this video and just like and share and subscribe and bye.